I would like to share my experience in Sivayu, Cuba. It's end of the February, beginning of March 2025. I spent the 2 weeks here. This is my last day, and it's my second time 1 year ago. And I have to tell that this my second experience was really good and productive. I had certain health issue when I came, like I had coughing, sore throat, sinus, and allergy issue. And during these 2 weeks, I was able to manage all these health issue, and I got a really nice treatment, which helped me to reduce dramatically my side effect of those issues. And the treatment was provided by very very experienced and professional therapists. I'm really happy with my therapist from India, Salini. And another very good experience with doctor who Ansul, who actually designed for me my set of the treatments according to my health issue, and it was a different treatment what I took last time, and I missed this. I found this treatment very helpful for my case, and another thing what we did together with the treatments, we had the yoga every morning at 7:30, which keep us in good shape and good spirit. Thank you very much, Dr. Ansu, to teach us new exercise and asana. And the whole atmosphere these 2 weeks were very friendly, very nice, and everybody worked very hard to help us to get a good result. The food was for me delicious because I don't cook many stuff this type of the food at home. I found very very delicious and good variety. So I would recommend. This time I brought my 2 friends, and next time I'm gonna bring another friend, and I'm gonna recommend everybody to come and to get this wonderful experience, to take care of themselves. Thank you.